How's it going, everyone? It's been a minute since my last upload. Been really busy with the start of the school year and everything, but we're back. Today we're taking a closer look at the Converse Chuck 70's. I got my Chuck 70's last Thursday. They showed up in the mail. I was super pumped. My old Converse are getting pretty worn out, so love having the new shoes at the beginning of the school year. Yeah, so first impression was the box. For the box, they went with this super high quality orange Converse all-star box. Not what you usually see regular Converse in. I thought it was really nice. It's kind of a matte orange pastel kind of look. Got the paper inside, pretty standard. I got size 9 in sunflower yellow. Yeah, sunflower yellow. I thought this was nice. It's like it's a pop of color, but it's still not too in your face and loud. It can blend in if you want it to. It goes really well with jeans, khakis, shorts, anything you really want to wear them with. So getting into the specs of the shoe. One thing you'll notice first is that the sidewall is a lot higher than on the original Converse All-Star, and the heel label here, it's black, which I think is really cool. It gives it that more retro look, in my opinion. Also, the canvas seems a lot more sturdy. See, when you mess around with it, it just pops right back up. Unlike with the regular Converse, where it's just all floppy and stuff, this one's got a little more oomph to it, I guess. It's also got this little thing inside the tongue. It says player name. You can write your name in there if you want to. And then on the inside, you've got, it looks like almost a crossover between the new Converse logo and the old Converse logo. It's got the little star with the arrow. Yeah, you get the point. Oh, also with the inside of the shoe, the insole is a lot more cushioned and padded and everything than the original Converse. I noticed first thing when I stepped in was I just sort of sunk into it and it felt so nice. I've only been wearing a couple days, so I can tell in the future my foot's gonna start forming to it. It's gonna get a lot more comfortable as I go. And the quality on these is just impeccable. You got the leather emblem on the side, really strong build, very sturdy. From my friends that have worn them in the past, I've heard that they last so long, which I'm pumped about. I'm a huge fan of long-lasting shoes because I just beat them into the ground, and yeah, I like when they hold up. So yeah, that's kind of all I have for the Chuck 70's. Really high quality. I love the style, love the look, love the feel. I would highly recommend them. They definitely feel like an upgrade from the other Converse. It's more bang for your buck, I'd say. $55 for the regular or $85 for the higher quality ones. These are definitely worth the $85. So if you're thinking of getting a pair, don't hesitate. They're very good. I would highly recommend them. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. It would help a lot. I do some review videos, some vlogs, stuff like that. A lot of engaging content for you. I'm going to start uploading much more regularly once I get the ball rolling in the school year and everything. Stay tuned for that. Yeah, leave a like on the comment. Yeah. Leave a like on the video if it helped you. Leave a comment with any questions. I'll get back to as many as I can. Before we end the video, I'll just show you some on-foot footage of the shoes on feet. Some footage of the shoes on feet so you can get a sense of their style, how you can wear them, that kind of thing. So yeah, until next time, peace.